What's up, everybody? Ryan and James here. We're in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania today to do a Lennox heat exchanger replacement. Keeping my eye open for that groundhog Punxsutawney Phil. He gave us 6 more weeks of winter this year, and if I see him, I'm taking him out. All right, James found it. It's like a front unit. So we're gonna replace this heat exchanger, make the repairs on it, and then we're also gonna do the filter change while we're here. So yeah, this is beautiful Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. It certainly doesn't look like it did on the movie Groundhog Day. Here's our unit. We got a Lennox number 4, serial number matches. These should be all right. They pull right out the front just like anything else. It says Allied, but it's a Lennox. So we're gonna get some panels off, we're gonna open it up, we're gonna swap this thing out. I've spotted it. It's right down here on the bottom. It's pretty rotted out. It's kind of hard to see. There it is. So it's definitely bad, and this is gonna be pretty easy. All right, well, Mikey's on another job today, so of course I can't utilize his farm strength. So I went ahead and got some bigger pipe wrenches, and we should be in good shape here. There it goes. Alright guys, we got all the panels removed here, and that's opening up our manifold here. So we're going to take these 4 screws, this should come out, take the snorkel off, pull it out that way, remove the wiring, get it out of the way, and then just like the rest of them, you got to remove all the screws around the perimeter, and this thing's going to pull right out. So I'm going to go ahead and get to work. All right guys, we got all the components out of the burner compartment here. I'm gonna leave the combustion blower on there, give me something to pull with, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove these screws from the perimeter, and with a push from the other side, it should pop right out. All right guys, I'm gonna have James head over to the other side and give this thing a shove. All right, man. Yep. Whoa, 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 hold on. Probably got that tape on there. Let me see if I can all right, give her a push. There. Hold on. I think we got her now. Go ahead. Hold on. Imagine we got any more screws. Alright, and that's what it looks like with the heat exchanger out. So we're gonna brush that out, and then give you a better look here. Right there, couple of holes right there. So she's bad. So what we're gonna do next is James is gonna get the burners, flame sensor, and igniter, and limit and rollout replaced. I'm gonna get the new combustion blower mounted on there, All right, I got the gasket in place. We're gonna use the screws that they provided. Just screw this thing down. So the combustion blower's on. James is getting the burner assembly all put together. All right, guys, got all the screws back in the perimeter, the heat exchangers back in place. So now we're just gonna get all the components put back in and get it all buttoned up. He's got the burners in. I mean, these Lennoxes, they don't get any easier, really. Carriers are easy, these are pretty easy. They just pull right out the front. They're pretty easy. So we're just gonna continue to put the parts together. I think James is fixing to replace that blower contactor. I'm gonna get this panel back on, drain trap put back in, and then we're gonna warm up our hands. All right, while James finishes up that over there, I'm going to block off the supply duct into the store. That way we don't fill the store up with smoke. Let's see, is this gonna, oh yeah, fits perfect. And you just take your panel here, slide it over, and now we're blocked off. We'll throw some new air filters in this. James is finishing up a few things here, the ignition control board, the contactor. We'll get the gas line pipe back in, get my manometer hooked up, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, James got that stuff replaced in the electrical department while I ran down and got this blue magic from my van. I'm gonna go ahead and get this all piped together, and we're gonna fire this thing up here shortly. We got it all back together. I got my manometer hooked up here. I got W jumped out. Everything looks good. I'm gonna leave this off for now until it fires, but then I'm gonna have to put it on real quick because one panel covers the blower and the burner side. You don't want it recirculating. So they got this gasket here so it keeps them separated. I prefer a separate door for the blower and a separate door for the burner section, but this is a Lennox / Allied. It looks like a cheaper unit, so that's the way they did it. So anyway, let's see if we fire up here. And we lit, and we're at 3.6 inches of water column. I'll probably adjust that here after it fires off, burns off a little bit. I got that panel in place, so we're not going to be pulling in this flue gas. Now let's head over this side and see how much smoke we get off of it. Probably not a lot since the blower was already running. All right, guys, we got her all buttoned up here. I got my temperature probes in. We're going to do a temp rise on it and make sure everything's good to go while we clean up. Everything's fallen within the specs on the data plate. We're going to clean up all this mess. We'll take it down to the van and replace all these filters and hit the road. Anyway, All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Allied commercial / Lennox rooftop unit heat exchanger replacement. Pretty easy, a lot like a York Predator. Just slides in from the front. You can remove all the screws, rebuild everything, but no big deal. A nice easy day here in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. I appreciate you guys watching. If you're not subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon. That'll notify you anytime I got a new video coming out. Leave me a comment. Hit like. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next one.